Hello guys, welcome back to Trends channel. Today in this video we will see the latest updates about IPL 2020 and World T20 Cup 2020 which is going to be conducted in this year. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our channel, then go below and click the subscribe button to get instant notifications from our channel. IPL, the Indian Premier League, is a professional T20 cricket league which is played in India and contested during the period of March or April until May of every year by 8 teams representing 8 cities of India. This league was founded by Board of Control for Cricket in India, shortly known as BCCI, in year 2008. This has been played for continuously 12 years from 2008 to 2019 and 2020 is yet to be played. It is a cash-rich league which contains the highest fan base ever in the world compared to other leagues conducted by other countries. IPL contains a total of 60 matches in which 56 matches are league matches and 4 are playoffs. In this league match, each team will face off other teams twice and 4 playoffs are 1 eliminator, 2 qualifier rounds and 1 final round. You can see the IPL season results from 2008 to 2019. In this league, Mumbai Indians owns the highest number of winnings with 4 season winnings and CSK comes second with 3 season winnings. Now coming back to IPL 2020. As we all know that IPL was set to begin on 29th March 2020 but was suspended until 15th April due to global coronavirus pandemic. After Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi announced on 14th April that lockdown in India would last till at least 3rd May 2020, BCCI suspended the tournament indefinitely. Meanwhile, BCCI conducted a small meeting with all the 8 teams' chairmen regarding the happening of IPL 2020, from which Rajasthan Royals COO declared to the public that they are confident that BCCI will make the IPL 2020 happen this year itself. If IPL 2020 is being cancelled due to coronavirus, then this would lead to a loss of around 3,800 crores, which includes loss of broadcast and streaming revenue amount to Star Sports, which is around 3,269.5 crores. Secondly, loss of central sponsorship amount around 200 crores. And thirdly, loss of title sponsorship amount for Vivo around 400 crores. The latest updates of IPL 2020 was BCCI keen on hosting the IPL after monsoon season, that is during September-November period. This is not an official announcement by BCCI, but these reports were given by an BCCI official. Meanwhile, countries like New Zealand, Sri Lanka, Dubai and UAE have come forward to conduct the IPL in their countries, and BCCI was yet to make a call. Conducting IPL in other countries would really disappoint Indian fans, said by an official. And also, ICC Men's T20 World Cup is going to be conducted in the month of October in Australia, but IPL could be conducted in this year only if ICC Men's T20 World Cup is postponed to next year. But there is no any official information from ICC about the postponement of T20 World Cup. The 2020 ICC Men's T20 World Cup is scheduled to be the 7th ICC Men's T20 World Cup tournament, with the matches be held in Australia from 18th October to 15th November 2020. Totally 16 countries going to be participating in this ICC World T20, which is divided into 4 teams per 4 groups, and total of 45 matches will be played by these teams in ICC Men's T20 World Cup. The ICC T20 World Cup 2020 may not be conducted this year due to coronavirus issue. ICC meeting with the cricket boards on May 28 will be extremely important to discuss whether the postponement of T20 World Cup is necessary or not. Also, there is no any official information about the postponement of T20 World Cup. Apart from IPL 2020 and the World T20 Cup, we are going to witness a match between India vs South Africa in the month of August. This match is going to be a 3-match T20 series played in South Africa. BCCI have planned this tour. So this is going to be conducted only if coronavirus issues settles down. Meanwhile, many players like Josh Butler, Ben Stokes are awaiting for the IPL 2020 to happen. They have also commented about the IPL 2020 to be happen this year itself. So guys, I am sure that IPL 2020 will be held in this year itself and we are all going to witness it in this year. Thank you for watching the video. If you have not subscribed to our channel, then go below and click the subscribe button to get instant notifications.